Oh yeah. Yeah, I forgot. I'm just gonna, because I worked on this door, might as well get up here, double check these screws, make sure they're tight. See, there it goes again. Another one that's loose, that's just spinning. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that out so I know that one has to be replaced. That hinge, the door will still be fine because I've got so many hinges up there. These two screws are still going to hold the door up there. So when I go to the hardware store, I may have to get a couple little bags. Here's another one that's stripped. Okay, so might as well pull that one out. Here's another one. You can't tell that with a electric battery operated drill. You want to start trying to tighten these up that way because you're better off with the little screwdriver. I kind of like this little one. I got this, I didn't even buy this at the store. I got it at, it came with a ceiling fan and it came with this, and so I just started using it. See, you can use just a regular screwdriver like that, but see how fat the handle is, and it's small. I don't know, I seem to have a little bit more control over it. Of course, I've got one of these in my nail bag too. You know, I carry lots of stuff in my nail bag. You never know what you're gonna need. All right. So see, just by these two doors in this room, I got 4 screws I got to replace out of just these 2 doors. And so I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to go to the next door and see what I need to do. Now that I got that door done, and I wanted to remind myself about the screws, okay? Don't always think, oh, I'll remember that. You could put it in your cell phone under notes, or you can start making yourself a list, okay? Like this. So I've got my door hinge screw that I took out, so I know the exact size head that I need and the type that I need, because I don't want a head much any bigger than that so it fits in the hinge properly. And I'm going to get 1 3/4 and 2 inch. And if they don't have, see, sometimes at the store they might not have certain ones, so if they don't have 1 3/4, 1.5 inch is probably too short. I'll get the 2 inch. So this is just a reminder for me. And make sure you do stuff like that. And once I went to the hardware store, I got all kinds of goodies in here. Just for the different things I'm going to need. And I guess I won't show you exactly what I got until I need to use it. All right. Okay. Keep her going and know that, hey, if Joe can do it, you can do it. Start doing your own repairs. Fix it yourself and save. Had you have called a door company because you're like, oh, I don't know what's going on, I'll just call a door company, I don't want to mess with that kind of stuff. You get a handyman type of guy over here. If this is the only thing you had him fix, he'd probably charge you a service call of like $75 just to come out here, drive out here and do some work, and you think, man, this guy, if I had known that's all he was going to do to this particular door to get it fixed, I could have done that myself. Instead, I'm paying this guy $75. Yeah, I should have watched Joe's videos after all.